Hi everyone, and welcome to this bonus lecture. We wanted to provide you some additional practical material to help really continue more hands-on experience in AI. And for this, we're going to be using Q-learning and the knowledge that you've acquired in this course to solve something similar to the postman problem. And that may sound familiar to some of you. Basically, it's a modified version where our main goal is to find the shortest path between locations. And this is a really popular concept within computer science, and we want to use AI and our Q-learning options to solve it. This can be expanded to solve a range of business problems and can really help demonstrate Q-learning concepts. So, with that being said, let's dive in and get started solving this challenge in the next lecture. But for those of you that may want to try and solve it on your own, and I highly recommend it, it's a great way to practice. You can build different solutions. There's always multiple options to solving it. In the next lecture, I will do my best to provide the environment setup and overview so that you can then write some of your own code and approach and then compare it to the method that we use to solve it. Awesome. Let's get started, and I'll see you in the next lecture.